cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms until midnight, then mostly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 40%. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, WXL 70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Reno, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 11:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, April 30th, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature of 79 degrees occurred at 2:07 p.m. The normal high is 77. The record high is 91 degrees, which was set in 1962. Yesterday's low temperature of 60 degrees occurred at 6:12 a.m. The normal low is 53. The record low is 36 degrees, which was set in 2018. The average temperature was 70, which is 5 degrees above normal. 0.01 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 1.59 inches. This is 2.25 inches below the normal amount of 3.84 inches for April. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 14.99 inches, which is 0.58 inches above normal. There were no heating degree days yet. WXL 70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. Threat of severe weather has been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Harris, Catawba, Cleveland, Jackson, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Luan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Storm Alert Test. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations for the Carolinas on Wednesday. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, April
6 a.m.
The normal high is 77. The record high is 91 degrees, which was set in 1962. Yesterday's low temperature of 60 degrees occurred at 6:12 a.m. The normal low is 53. The record low was 36 degrees, which was set in 2018. The average temperature was 70.
It would have been a perfect activation if you and I.
Which brings the monthly total to 1.59 inches. This is 2.25 inches below the normal.